Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Muhammad Abdul Qayyum welcoming you all to my YouTube channel, Tisal Academy. Today I shall speak about one of the modal auxiliary verbs, namely can. Can modal auxiliary verb has got three functions. First of all, ability, secondly, possibility, thirdly, permission. Today I shall speak about only ability. When it comes to ability as a function of can modal auxiliary verb, it refers to two types of abilities. First of all, it refers to physical ability, whether a person is physically able or not, whether a person is physically strong enough or not, whether a person is physically capable of doing any task or not. Let's take a look at some examples. He can climb the mountain in 5 hours. Here, what's the function of can modal auxiliary verb? The function of can modal auxiliary verb is denoting physical ability. It means he is capable of climbing the mountain in this shortest amount of time. He is able, he is strong enough to climb the mountain in such a shortest amount of time. In contrast, if he were not able, if he were not physically strong enough, it wouldn't be possible for him to climb the mountain in 5 hours. He might take 6 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, for example. The entire procedure means that all informations mean that can refers to physical ability. Let's take a look at another example. Bolton can carry 457 kilograms. Once again, here can means denotes refers to physical ability. Bolton is physically able, physically strong enough, physically capable of carrying such a huge amount of weight. In contrast, if he were not able, if he were not strong enough, it wouldn't be possible for him to carry such a huge amount of weight. What I mean to say is that in this example too, can modal auxiliary verb refers to physical ability. Side by side, can refers to procedural ability too, whether a person knows the procedures or not, whether a person knows the rules and regulations or not. This is the function of can modal auxiliary verb too. Let's take a look at some examples. Can you ride a bicycle? It means, do you know the procedure how to ride a bicycle? Do you know how to pedal? Do you know how to control the brake? It means, do you know the rules and regulations, systems, procedures, processes as to how to ride a bicycle? Here, can refers to processes, procedures, systems, rules and regulations. Take a look at another example. Jasmine is very clever. She can play the violin. Once again, take a look. Can here refers to procedural ability. Take a look. When it comes to playing any musical instrument, we need to know the procedures, systems, some rules and regulations. We must have some knowledge. How to play the violin, for example. How to play any musical instrument. She can speak 3 languages. Once again here, can modal auxiliary verb refers to procedural ability. Procedural ability. Take a look. When it comes to speaking any language, we need to know some structures, some vocabulary, some rules of phonetics, some rules of pronunciation. Once again, procedures. If I want to speak any language, I need to know the process of speaking. I need to know the procedure of speaking. I need to know the rules and regulations of speaking. Then it will be possible for me or for anybody to speak the language. What I mean to say is that here too can refers to procedural ability. Can refers to simply processes, process, systems, rules and regulations. Another clause, and she can beat her father at chess. Take a look once again. When it comes to playing chess or playing any game, we need to have some knowledge as to how to play this particular game. We need to have some information. We need to know the process of playing this particular game. What I mean to say is that here too can refers to process, systems, rules and regulations. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.